Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I'm going to show you a 10-minute makeup routine that I do in the morning when I'm getting ready for work. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to prime my face with a Fenty primer. And I'm doing this because it helps the foundation to stay in place and also it helps with my oily skin. And I'm going to make sure I get it all over my face. Alright, so in a previous video I showed you guys how I do my eyebrows. If you would like to see that video, I will leave a link in the description box below. And so what I've done now, I've mixed my foundation on the back of my hand. So I use the Juvia's Place foundation as well as the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. And I mix the two on the back of my hand because I love the consistency that it gives me. The Juvia's Place foundation can be very thick and it's full coverage, and the Maybelline foundation is somewhat more lighter. And so I mix the two because I like the consistency and the color that it gives me. And so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use a damp beauty blender to blend in the foundation. I use a damp beauty blender because I feel like it allows the foundation to melt into my skin and it looks more skin-like rather than like a cakey look. So this is just a little trick that I do that I've learned from, you know, the University of YouTube University. Alright, and so now I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm going to apply it right under my eyes. And I am going to do that in just a moment, right about now. And I am doing this because it allows me to have a more fresher look and brighten under my eyes so I look more fresh and ready for work rather than tired. I also apply it to my eyelid as well, kind of, you know, brighten that area up too. Anywhere you apply the concealer will brighten that area up, so make sure you're mindful of that. And now I'm going to use a powder to set those areas that I applied the concealer. I don't want those areas to start to crease up, so I set it so that it can stay in place. And it gives it a nice smooth finished look. And now I'm going to take a translucent powder and set my entire face. That way my foundation stays in place. It sets that. It gives it a nice smooth finish. And I'm going to apply a little bit of shimmer to my cheekbones just so, you know, give me a little bling bling here and there. I don't need much because, like I said, I do have oily skin, so. And now I'm going to use some mascara to do my eyelashes. I do not wear eyelashes to work. I like a very simple, fresh look when I'm going to work. And now I am all done. Just got to fix my hair a little bit and make sure everything looks right. And this is a look that I would, you know, do every morning when I'm going to work. A 10-minute makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching.